welcome to day 1 of the 7-day prayer challenge. I'm so excited to officially kick this off today and just start praying with you. So today's prompt for the prayer challenge is to pray for your household. Now, I don't know what your household looks like. For me personally, it's my husband and my son, but maybe you live with roommates, or maybe you live with your parents, or maybe you live alone. But today I really challenge you to pray for your household. Pray that your household is built strongly on the Lord. Pray that your family goes out every day and really puts their best foot forward for the Lord. Pray for specific challenges that your household has. Pray for understanding or patience. I know I need a lot of patience in my household because it gets a little crazy. But just pray for the specific people in your household. Pray for their well-being. Pray for them. So I really challenge you to just pray for your household today and let them know that you're really caring about them and praying for them. And I really cannot wait to hear how this changes and how your heart is stirred by praying specifically for these people. So let me know how it's going. Be sure to tag me on Instagram at Allie_scraps. And I cannot wait to hear all about this.